Welcome to today's news on the Gallery TV. My name is Victoria and these are the headlines. Federal government announced resumption dates for schools and colleges. Secondly, Obasanjo donates his former residence for COVID-19 isolation center. And the third one, which says the Nigeria will go into recession if COVID-19 continues after 6 months' time. And lastly, Davido goes into self-isolation after Chioma is tested positive. The Federal Ministry of Education has ordered the closure of primary and secondary schools and institutions due to the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic in Nigeria. This was confirmed by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Education, Sonny Ochono. On Thursday, Ochono gave the order on behalf of the Minister of Education that all schools in the country should close down on or before 26th of March 2020 as a step to prevent the spread of the deadly disease called coronavirus. They have been given the resumption date for May 4th, 2020. And with this period of time, which is 1 month and a half, we expect all students and pupils to stay off unnecessary gatherings for now. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo has said on Friday that he has donated his former residence on Presidential Hilltop, Abeokuta at Ogun State for an isolation centers for those who have been infected by the coronavirus disease. He also said on his tweet, "I think those who can assist in one way or the other should do so." The facility has 32 rooms en suite with a standby generator. On Friday, the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, NCDC, confirmed 5 new cases of coronavirus in Nigeria, bringing the total to 70. And in the world, over 400,000 people have been confirmed coronavirus positive, and over 15,000 people have died from this terrible sickness. The Nigerian Minister of Finance, Mrs. Zainab Ahmed, have warned Nigeria that Nigeria may go into recession if the issues of COVID-19 still continues after 6 months. She stated this during an appearance on the channel's TV, Politics Today. The minister said, "We are hopeful that this pandemic will be limited in time. If it's an average of 3 months, we'll be able to close the year with positive growth. But if it extends more than that, Nigeria may go into recession," she said. Mrs. Zainab Ahmed also spoke about the recommendation of Atiku Abubakar, the former vice president, for his support during this pandemic. Atiku Abubakar has promised to give out 10,000 naira to 30 million households, and he has also promised to give out 1.5 airtime to 100 million mobile phones. He has given out this airtime in case of any emergency calls. Mrs. Ahmed Zainab said, "Health centers are being upgraded, and we also look for resources to further upgrade." She said, "If we don't respond to this health crisis effectively, the impact on the economy will be worse." Nigerian music star David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido, has gone into self-isolation. He explained that he did that after his fiancée Chioma has been tested positive for coronavirus known as COVID-19. The music star stated that on his Twitter handle. He said, "Though we had no doctors, but we decided to take the test of COVID-19 along with our close associates on Wednesday. On Friday, the results came back and Chioma was tested positive, but the 31 others, including my baby, was negative." He stated this on his tweet. Davido also stated that although they had no symptoms and they were perfectly fine, but he decided to take the COVID-19 test alongside with his close associate on Wednesday after coming back from their travel. And unfortunately, on Friday, his fiancé own came out positive, while the 31 others, both including his baby, came out negative. We are, however, doing very, very fine, and Chioma is even yet to show any symptoms whatsoever. Davido has gone into isolation for the minimum of 14 days, and Chioma has been quarantined. He also thanked his well-wishers and fans for their love and their prayers in advance, and he, however, advised them to stay at home, not to spread the disease more. This is where we come to the end of today's edition of News on the Gallery TV. My name is Victoria, and I really hope you enjoyed the news. Please stay safe in this issue of coronavirus, and I wish you a very great, happy weekend, and see you next time. Bye.